Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. This is your English teacher, Mrs. Shanti, coming out with a new series on career choices. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career, said Shri Abdul Kalam ji. Before we go on to today's career choices, let us look into the factors that decide a person's career. There are many factors that decide on a person's career. They are education, skills, vision, interests, values, and goals. Today we are going to look at fashion designing as a career. Who can become a fashion designer? What are the preparation and training required to become a fashion designer? Aspirants who have cleared their +2 from science stream can pursue a fashion designer course at the graduation level. However, most popular design colleges allow candidates to take part in their admission process only if they have completed their schooling from a recognized board. Admission is strictly on merit through written tests, situation tests, group discussion, and interview. These courses are aimed at understanding concepts related to costume, jewelry, leather goods, and many other similar products where fashion matters. So, what are the different bachelor degrees that are being offered in the area of fashion? So, we have Bachelor in Design, Fashion Designing. We have Bachelor in Leather Design. We have Bachelor in Accessory Design. We have Bachelor course in Textile Design. We have Bachelor course in Knitwear Design. We have Fashion Communication. And we do have BF Tech, Bachelor of Fashion Technology in Apparel Production. Now, what are the prominent institutes in fashion technology? As you know, one should choose a college for its reputation and not for its garden and granite. So, some of the prominent institutes in India that offer this fashion technology are: number 1, National Institute of Fashion Technology, which is otherwise called as NIFT. You have the National Institute of Design, International Institute of Fashion Technology, New Delhi. You have the IEC School of Art and Fashion, New Delhi, Indian Institute of Art and Fashion Technology, Mumbai, Pearl Academy of Fashion, New Delhi, Technology. Now, you can browse the net to know more about the National Institute of Fashion Technology, which was set up in the year 1986 under the aegis of Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. It has emerged as the premier institute of design management and technology. Now, who is a fashion designer? What does he create? He creates dresses, suits, pants, skirts, and all accessories that are required for a human's attire. As you see in the visuals, these are the different accessories designed by the fashion designers. Now, where are the fashion designers? Where are the fashion designers recruited? So, if you look into the job prospects, there are several export houses where these people are recruited, garment store chains, textile mills, leather companies, boutiques, fashion show organizers, jewelry houses, and media houses too. As you know, every career requires special skill sets. You must choose a profession by choice and not by chance. So one has to conduct a SWOT analysis before he or she decides to take up a career. What are one's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, the special skills or the training that one requires in this particular area are creativity, including a knack for color, and then textile detail and style, drawing and computer drafting skills, fashion sketching, knowledge of sewing and tailoring, strong communication and collaboration skills are very much essential for becoming a fashion designer. Now, what is on a typical day of a fashion designer? It depends upon what kind of a post you hold. There are different career hierarchies or designation even in the area of fashion designing. But basically, let us look on to a simple nature of work on a typical day of a fashion designer. He directs and coordinates workers who draw and cut patterns and construct samples of finished garments. He examines the sample garments on and off models and then modifying their designs to achieve desired results. He sketches rough and detailed drawings of apparel or accessories and writing specifications such as color schemes, construction, material types, and accessory requirement. Conferring with sales and management executives or with clients in order to discuss design ideas. Identifying target markets. Where are your products going to be sold? For design, for looking at factors such as age, gender, and socio-economic status. Attending fashion shows and reviewing trade magazines in order to gather information about fashion trends and consumer preferences. Selecting materials and production techniques to be used for products. A costume designer's task will include researching the styles and periods of clothing needed for film or theatrical production. Now let us see what are the advancement and promotion aspects in the fashion technology as a career. So as you see, you may first join as a sketching assistant or a pattern maker assistant. Further, you may be upgraded or elevated to a lead designer. Then you become a head designer. You become a creative director. Then you start a label for yourself. Another important area of specialization is costume design for those who want to create wardrobes for television, movie, and theatre production. We have Naresh Rohira, who has been a superstar of Shah Rukh Khan's favorite designer for the past 20 years. Now let us go into the salary of a fashion designer in India. It depends on various factors. One of the important factors is the location. For example, the salary of a fashion designer in a metro city like Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata will be more than those who stay away from these cities. Another factor is the organization or the company that is looking for a fashion designer. Fashion designer salary per month in India will be sometimes sole discretion of the organization. So, though these are not very definite terms of salary, you can have an idea. A design assistant draws anywhere between 15,000 per month. A junior designer may draw approximately from 25,000 to 40,000 per month. And a creative director will be drawing about 50,000 to 1 lakh a month. And we have already seen the creative director is the almost the penultimate hierarchy in fashion designing. Now, India's top 5 fashion designers is brought to you. Manish Malhotra, a top-notch designer known for costume designing in movies, especially in Bollywood, was born in London and raised in Mumbai. He was a Bollywood costume designer in 1990. He has styled for over 1,000 Bollywood films. In the one behind modernizing Bollywood costume design with the power to envision a look for the character. Finally, there are some very important websites which will help you to plan or do some research before you decide upon taking a course in fashion designing. Thank you, children. Choose a job you love and